What's going on, guys? I'm Marisa Snee, a senior on the University of Richmond women's soccer team, and today I'm testing out some new sports.
You know what a hook shot is?
How do I do it?
You're gonna go up through and flick the wrist. Follow through.
See, that's impressive.
The effort was 1000% there. You can maybe a little bit more touch.
Like more like loft to it?
That was good. And then you just wanna like aim.
You have some more height on me. I think it's easier for you to,
You wanna go a little closer?
Could you hold me up?
Come on.
For the next one, I'll be teaching her how to dunk. Okay, so this is called an up and under. 1, 2, and then you go, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Absolute natural.
Am I above average, you think, by hitting that, or?
What age group? Beginner, like?
Yeah, like intermediate, you think? Nope. Cut that. Nope.
Hey!
Yeah! Oh, you're a natural. This is harder than it looks, guys, I won't lie.
Every single shoot around.
Dang!
Look at that.
Oh, how'd you do that?
Switching.
Oh, yeah!
When did you learn that?
Good game, good game, good game.
As you receive the ball, catch it above your chest, and then eyes to the tuck. That's it. Oh, yeah!
You kind of caught it like this.
I did. So then I'm bringing it back in?
Yeah. Oh, that's perfect.
Where did he put his hand?
No, you just run.
Just run right
You
in?
gotta run right through it. Oh, no. All right, I trust you now.
All right, let's see if I got it.
Oh, God, see? That's what I was scared of.
I almost killed Coach.
Right, back up. Oh, no.
I don't think punter's my thing.
I guess the coaching point here is 3 steps vertical, catch it, you gotta finish in the end zone before you celebrate. Oh, don't score that way, score that way! Yeah. Ready, go. Oh, yeah!
Let's go!
That was good.
Okay, so this is how I initially had it on. I was told that this was incorrect.
Just flip it backwards, like backwards hat.
And then face mask on top.
It's like she's done it before.
When I was maybe 4 years old, I did this. Oh. Down the middle. So they're giving me a challenge. Runner's stealing second. Let's see if I can throw from home to second base to get them out. Oh, one more try. Actually, this is the first take. Delete all the other ones. That's the one.
Out.
He's out. I'm feeling good about this, honestly. Oh, God. Again. Is there any adjustment I should make to maybe not whiff anymore?
Just want to be able to sink into your back hip.
Okay, I get it now.
She understands it now. Hey. Wow.
That felt good. What do D1 baseball pitchers throw?
I'd say 85 to 95.
Okay, we'll build up to that. Okay.
60.
Okay. Am I late? Am I early?
You're like striding early. Nice, that's a hit, single.
Let's go!
Hey.
I came back and hit myself with the bat.
Oh my God. Good swing, good swing. Oh my God, this is actually really good.
That was 90?
Hit 60, 70, 80, 90, and curve.
Very impressed.
Impressive, thanks
Yes,
guys.
very impressive.
To get this kind of feedback, feels great.
All right, so you're gonna start, you're having your right hand on the bottom, right?
Okay.
Around here. Top hand controls everything.
Yes. Cool. Oh, see, that was bad. No,
Liv is better at like stick skills.
Oh, wow, okay. All right, let me see if I can emulate that.
Yeah.
Oh, guys, I'm feeling
Wow.
it now.
Yeah, good, good. Oh, good try, here.
Dang. That was beautiful, low-key.
Yep. Oh, good, yeah.
Oh, that was good, no? Get me on the team. Oh, never mind. I think I'm gonna whiff.
You got it.
Oh, there's the whiff.
Good. Oh, so close.
I'm whacking this floor. This is hard. Just need to hit the ball.
Oh, so
Hold
close.
on. Oh. Okay, pretend it was one fluid thing.
Oh, yes.
Don't show the goal, it went in. I can't hit this ball. Have you seen anyone whiff this many times in a row? All right, It's on the move. Stick is touching it.
Yeah! 10.
I scored! All right, guys, that wraps up the Marisa Snee Try series. Thank you so much to all of my fellow Spider athletes who showed me how to play their sports. This series has been a lot of fun. Go Spiders.
That was good, that was good. Yeah.
Oh,
Oh, you got it, you got it. Just stay low.
cut that.